All right, guys, this is my first time checking out the Boxify 24-in-1 screwdrivers. This is a 24 set of bits. Basically, the way this works is this just sets right over. It's super compact, dude. Look at that. So all we do is we just slide that down, open it up. We have our screwdriver right here with 24 different bits. All you do is just find the one that you need. Let's get a bigger one. So you do have different bits. You've got like one of those. Here, actually, I'll just show it up to you close like that. So you have all sorts of different bits in basically small sizes, but larger small sizes. So there's all sorts of different attachments for different types of screws. So, and then we've got like regular screwdriver stuff here as well. All we do is we just slide it right in there, and then I can come over here and I can actually just tighten. There we go. Able to just tighten my speaker there, get those things in place. Super easy. And then when we're done, we just pull that out, put it back there, and it kind of magnetizes to it. Put that back in there, and then slide that back on top, and we are good to go. Highly recommend this for the men in your life.